Hello, it's Bethany, and today I am going to show you how to create a new course in Teachery. I talked in another video about just showing you the back end of Teachery, but I wanted to go through and make an actual course with you. So the first thing you do is you log in, you're at Teach, and then you have all your courses and themes. So we're going to hit Create New Course, and what I'm going to make is actually going to be part of my free hub of resources for Montessori teachers or just uh, you know, more elementary teachers. So I'll click create new course, and so it will ask you some questions, and then this is a standard course, and then the course name. I'm going to make a course about different activities for each month. So um like different special days through each month. So what should we call it? It says you could change the name later, which is fine too, but I'm just going to write um I don't know. We'll call it activities through the months. Activities through the months. Okay, so I don't want a theme or anything. Here's different themes you could pick that already have cool designs on it, but I'm just going to show you the regular minimal template. I like this one, but there's also a standard like sidebar template. So let's pick the minimal template. Um, and then we'll hit get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's bare. It's exciting. I love making new things in Teachery. So the first thing you see um, is like a heading, things. You could have a get started page. You could always remove this, remove this. We might leave this in here. So the first thing I like to do before I put like the actual content in is just make it look pretty and design it. So we want to add a header image. So it tells you which one is the header, and then the logo is what they'll see on the front page, but you can change it for that. But let's just make a header. So what I do is I use Canva, the design course or the design platform, but you could use whatever design you want to make. You type in the specific ones, and then I just keep all of the ones I've ever made in a certain place. So, um, activities through the month. So, first, you really want to think about what colors you're going to use. I always end up using the same colors, which is a raspberry color and a tan color. So, maybe we'll make this different colors. Um, so let's see what we could do. So I will just, we're gonna just duplicate this page, but we're just going to take things off. So we have a new start. Let's see if we can find a nice yellow, maybe. mm, or maybe a blue. Hmm. I've never made like a blue and orange course before, but that's, I don't know. I like lighter colors. They just kind of look a little bit nicer. So I will go with like a baby blue. And I'm going to actually take this color code and copy it. So we're going to hit copy. Um, and then I'm just going to start a new note page on like the note app and just write right there with the color code. And then the complementary color to blue is orange, right? So let's add in a text box. and pick a cool font. Now, I'm not a designer, but I just um think it's fun to do this. I don't pay for Canva either, so these are just all the free options. So let's change that to like a color. Nope, that's not one. Mm-mm. Maybe we need like a dark or sweet orange. That's kind of nice. So which one is it? Okay, I'm gonna click on that. Mm, Um, so I have the color code CC4E0. Okay. Okay, and so let's say we can make great activities. So, what different activities there could be? We can look at elements. I kind of like, I'll show you when you do this. I kind of like to make it look like it's like falling off the page, and I'll show you why it's kind of cool. And then we could do this, flip that. Let's try to make it kind of look the same way. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Activities through the months, but it's also fun. Maybe we can make different, let's just see if I look up labels or like what comes up. Oh yeah, we can see. Hmm. Let's just see all. I kind of like this one. And that's kind of cool if we wanted to add like, oh, hmm. Oh, that's kind of nice. Let me copy this one. So what we're going to do is position it to the back. Now let's see if we can get it to be big enough where it looks cool. Oh yeah. That's kind of massive though. So let's just make it in the middle, and we can make this one go smaller. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks kind of cool. But I was also thinking, can we change the color of this? We can. Oh wait, did I move that? Okay, there we go. Let's make sure. Oops. I don't know. I kind of like this for now. So we'll just say, save it here once. And then I'll just say like activities through the months. And we're going to download page 2. So yeah, PNG page 2 download. So now let's go in here and hit header image, choose file, downloads. Here it is. Open, upload. Okay, And then we can always preview the course. So far, it looks like this. Why? Hmm. Why is there white along the edges? Oh, wait, full width is what we want. Let's see if it changed. Yahoo, we got it. So there's always full width and everything, but that looks awesome. So far, I like these colors. Okay, so now I like to make the background look cool. So, so we're going to make, so we're done with the header. We're going to make the background. I kind of like this color, but we're going to just, let's just make it with like these same sprinkle things. Actually, I have one that I kind of like that I did. Oh yeah, like here, there's was for a Spanish thing. So let's change the background color of this to that blue color we had. Okay, and then we'll just type the months. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and November. And then we'll just take this up. We could spread them down a little bit. This sprinkle one. So we're going to just maybe we can. I thought we could crop. Ah, yes, crop. There we go. We're gonna just crop that one out, and we will just make it a little bit transparent, so it's not like in your face, maybe like 50%. Okay, now we're just going to duplicate that. Duplicate that. Let's see if we can make them big enough to fit across. Okay, that looks. Mm, let's see if we can get them all to be on the same length though. Here, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oops, we don't need December with that. Maybe we'll just keep that down here. Let's make December go up some though. Okay, so let's just see how that looks. We're going to download page 19 as a PDF. Page 19, download. And now how you do this one is you have to get the image URL. So first, let's just add a lesson. So let's just start with, let's just put in January because I'm going to have all the lessons. So we're just going to put January and create a lesson. So we're just in January. I like to take this one and put it here, whatever my heading is. So we are first going to do add a text box. We are actually going to rename this though, so not Spanish activities, but through the months. So that way, let me just download this again real quick. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to put an image, get your, that's not the background I want. I want the new one. Because I didn't want it to have that one there. So recent downloads. Okay, there it goes. Recent image. This is the one. Open. And now what you're going to do is you're going to copy the image. I know, nope. You're going to click this. You're going to hit not align. This insert link. No, you're going to hit replace and then hit by URL and then copy this URL and then you're going to put it in a custom code, which I don't think I could share the custom code all the way because I got my code from somewhere. So, but this is how you would do it. I'm just showing you how you add custom code. So style your course, add custom CSS, and then here we're just going to hit paste and I put that URL in there now. There's different X's that who even knows why. Because it says we go to manage options and I put it in this manage options before. There we go. We're just going to put it in there to see. And now hit save options. And now when we preview the course, there we go. And so once we add the rest, we can get started. So there's two. I remember this one was made before they had that custom thing. So I just put this style here. You hit save. And now let's go back to the course pages and add. Now here you're not going to see the background because it doesn't pop up that way, but that's okay. Now we're just going to add all of our lessons. February. I'm just going to quickly do this. February, March. Add lesson, April, create, April, and lesson, May, create lesson. No, I'm going to skip June and July because we don't go to school in there. So we're just going to go August. Although some people don't go to school in August either. That's okay. And I also, even though no one has access to this course yet, we're just going to hit publish and make it so people can see it. Do you see the difference? Draft or published August, September. And then October. Okay. 2 more, November. Published. And then next one, December. Okay. Almost there. And published. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So these are drafts that people can't see. And then these are the other ones. Oops, in November, we didn't place the copy paste name, right? So now that we have our lessons, how I'm going to do this, and I'm not going to do them all right now, but you can delete this now that we have our background. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to drag. So we want to go August, September, October, November, December, right? And then January, publish, February, publish, March, publish, and then April, publish, publish, and then some people go to school in May. We really should do, maybe I'll change to August/September. That's okay, but you can do all of these things here quickly. So I'll show you now the thing here. It's looking cool so far, I would say. So then in here, we would have this. So I like to do what I like to do now is go in and edit the colors. But I'm going to show you really quick just how to add in a sub lesson. So um, I just did a constellation day, and what's today? It was in September when we talked about the galaxy. So let's just type in constellation day, and that we'll just put that in like September when people talk about like the galaxies and everything. Let's just do that. We will create a sub lesson in September, and I'll show you how that looks. We are just going to publish that and then put constellation day here. Now I will show you what happens. Now in September you can see the sub lessons, but we're going to even change how all this looks here in a second. So what I like to do now is style the course. You can pick, so the overview, you can change every single individual color, but there's a new thing now where it could just be the global color palette. So even though our background, even though our background is the picture, I'm just going to add the background color of that light blue. Let's make the buttons the this purple color, I think. Let's see what the lessons look with this rust color. Oh, now look at that. How cool. Okay, this is looking cool. And then the text, um, let's look at like a different page. Yes, the text is good. Yeah, this is looking good. And then that's cool with the course progress bar. That would be the accent color. Let's see. Hmm, that's kind of cool, right? We can just leave that and see, but they have a bunch. So we're just going to hit save. Now let's preview it again. Oh, yes. Look how cool that is. But are we ready to make it even cooler? Let's just click in to see. Yes. So now what I like to do to make it stylish is to um go through. So we're just going to go back to dashboard, and as you can see are things here. Now this is where I talk about the logo. You can change it here so then it actually like fits, but I don't know. It doesn't matter too much. I like to go to the themes, and so these are all like these themes are all ones you get with the thing, and I like okay, I like okay, watch this. I like the rounded corners and like the rounded edges. So what I do, I believe, let's see if I have the Clay Club already in my downloads. I don't think I do because I deleted the ones. So let's just use the Clay Club, and we're just going to hit start using this theme, and it takes just a few seconds to make the theme, but we're actually not going to use this theme. You could start with this and change everything, but I find it easier to do it this way. So it tells you like how to use the theme anywhere. And so we're just going to go to style, your course, custom CSS, and we're just going to go. And this one, once you get Teachery, you get all these anyways. So I think it's fine to show you this one, but it tells you um the different things. So the course background, the okay, lesson pages, overview pages. So we want the get started, we want the module cards, and we can do the get started one too, but we'll do the module cards first. So all you have to do, oop, that's a lesson. Module cards. So I'm just going to take this code and go copy. And okay, now we're back to here. Um, yeah, we're back to here. Let me just copy this one. and I'm just going to open a new tab of Teachery here in a second. There we go. Now we're going to go back to the one we're working on. We're going to go to Style, add custom CSS. And, I have no idea how this really works, but somehow it does. And you can hit apply changes, and you can see that is looking pretty awesome. Okay, now I want to see, back to editor, if we can just have like August. Let's see if we put this in the middle and change the color to our light blue. How that looks. Oh wait, that's not going to look cool. Oh, that was the background color though. No, that's what I was, okay. Try again. So we can try this one, copy, paste, okay. And then we want this color of the text to be this blue color. Okay. Let's see if that looks cool. If it doesn't look cool, we can just take it off. Oh yeah. Look how cool that looks. I won't change them all right now, but that's just showing you how that works. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. I also like the actual lesson. So like, let's see. Like this sidebar looks very cool. And the background also has rounded corners. So let's see for the lesson page. Yeah, the lesson page. Let's just copy this. Custom CSS. And then we're just going to paste and see what happens. Hit apply changes. So let's look if we do like this one. Oh yeah, we got the rounding and everything. So let's just publish changes and see what looks different. And now let's go back to the editor and go into August and then type something in here. Actually, it doesn't matter because then once you type something in, there's a lesson bar will pop up and look pretty cool. And you could see now also, like if we, well, if you type things into here, though, if you type things into here, it's going, oh, maybe it won't show up there, but yeah, let me just add things so you can see a little bit of the difference. Yeah, and you see how it's rounded there, even though the background color is the same. Although what we could do is go to, let's see if this works, style, your course, and then the background, lessons. And it should say lesson background, you see. And if we just make this, I use this one a lot. Because it's nice and neutral. Hit save. And then yeah, that kind of looks nice, I would say. So now we can go back in and we can edit this August one again and take out this background color. Oops. let's go back. And then I still want that text color to be that light blue. Yes. Okay. Now let's see how that looks. Is that going to look weird? Um, Not too weird. It looks cool like that. So now let's just look at, oop, not back to dashboard, but let's just click through here and look through our things. So it's not really a course. We're just going to hit progress. Usually I'll just take this out, but I don't know. It's kind of cool with the two different colors. And then, although I am just using this as like a free page, so that's okay. So, I usually like to take this out and I'll just say, oh wait, this will. Okay, it did finally happen. Um, it happened here. So if you put text in, let me show you really quick, in this box, it's going to change it. And if you don't want it to show up on your first page, you just need to add a contact block and start typing here because it's for the intro, right? I just like to put resources. So like for August, I'll just say, here are the activities for August. And then when we go to the next page, which I just like to put next, I have completed this and I'm just going to call it activity exclamation point. And so that looks even cooler there. I completed this activity, check. And then it will change for anything. It just shows me that right now. So then where are we going? We are going to the overview page. So I'm just going to say see activities. And then for step lessons, we're going to see more activities. So let's see how that looks. We'll click at the top. Constellation Day, and then I'll have things about Constellation Day, and you see how cool that looks just with that custom code that comes with the Teachery. When you buy it, there's like 5 different templates that come with it, so that's kind of cool. So that's basically how I start and style the course. Will I leave it like this? We'll see. And then I just have to add my lessons. I like to change this up to say welcome to month activities through the months, right? And then I'll just say click through each month to see what activities, some activity ideas for your classroom. Um, and then I usually just say like, hi, I'm Bethany. And then I'll put like a picture of myself and I'll say, if you have any questions, email me at bethany@artsofthelanguage.com. Right. So you could see how that kind of looks now. So there we go. It changes all the hyperlinks, everything. You can add in links, whatever you want. And then I'll just start typing and adding in PDFs. Like I can show you just very quickly, like for Constellation Day. We can say add image or text, and we say, while studying the universe and solar system, I decided to have a full day ded- dedicated to constellations. And I say watch the YouTube video here. and then watch the YouTube video here. So let me get the little YouTube, the YouTube. I'll show you how to insert it. Okay, so all I did was get that embed code, and so we're going to put the embed code, paste, save. There it is. And then in the resources, I will just say download the map, the installation map page here. Drop it in. And now they also have a clickable link that you can see. Where do you see it within Constellation Day? Yep, here. Yeah, so that kind of looks cool. So then we could watch a video to see what they did. I could write some more. Oops, and then here I'm just going to take off the lesson. We're just going to hit next, and then I have completed the activity, right? And so I can either make people sign up for it. So the login page, course login, it already looks nice in there, or I can just go to course setting, manage options, and say, no, no, say, where is it? No, people, yes, there's no sign up required. So when you go to course links, you just get the copy this link, and here we go, my free hub of resources, and I will say add a lesson, add a sub lesson, and we're going to put activities through the months, and we are going to put it in extra resources, and then hit create sub lesson. So now we're on the sub lesson page. I always just like to do this. And I'm just going to put a text that say I have created a hub of resources and special activities through each month of school. Click here to see the hub, and then I can just put underline this, click here to see the hub, insert, and URL, insert, and then I'll say access to the hub, and then here, insert. No, it's still a draft because I did not. Oop, yeah, just take this off. Okay. No, you see, you can click here to see the hub, and it will take them to the hub. Or you could also put a wall up, so they need to access it, and so that would be free, right? And this is a free hub, so I can show you how you make a free hub. Is you just go to payment pages, you make a page that's 0, and then you just have them sign in. I can show you this page here too, you see? And then I'm already logged in, but it just has all the information already on it. So you would just create a payment page of 0. I can show you quickly with this one for yep, payment pages, add payment pages, activities, through the months. And then you could do monthly, yearly, and then just put 0 and then create page, right? And you just need to, and it's already edited. I mean, it matches your colors already, so that's cool. I need to like type stuff in, add a logo. But you could also do upsells or promo codes, anything like that. And you can also make your very own landing page. I'll show you quickly activities through the months. Yeah, this is just the information they have in it, but it has a lot of different things. It's nice and set up for you already. Let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, so this is kind of nice, and it already pulled in all my colors for me. So that is just a quick tutorial of how you can customize your Teachery. Thank you for watching. I do have a affiliate link with them where I could earn some money back if you join through my link. So if you enjoyed watching this, you can sign up. It's a you could do a lifetime deal or you could do monthly, either way. So let me know if you have any questions and you could sign up. Thanks. Bye.